Today we're going to deal with errors, and to be very specific, errors that occur when you do multiplication. So we're going to find the area of a rectangle, which is known to be length multiplied by width. And in doing so, we encounter errors. So we want to find the absolute error that we encounter in finding the area of a rectangle and the relative error in finding the area of a rectangle. So we need to get the maximum limit of length and width. We also need to get the minimum limit of length and width. So the maximum limit for length shall be 5.3, and we add 0.05, so it will give us 5.35. And here we shall subtract to get the minimum limit. We subtract 0.05, so we shall get 5.25. We do the same with the width, which is 2.5. The maximum, we are adding 0.05, and we get 2.55. And to get the minimum limit, we subtract 0.05, we get 2.45. So now we're going to find the maximum area using the maximum limit, length multiplied by width. And then we get the minimum area using the minimum limit, length times width. And we are also going to get the actual area using the values that were given, length times width. So let's get the maximum. Maximum area shall be 5.35 multiplied by 2.55. So we are using the maximum limit to get the maximum area. And this is going to give us, using the calculator, 5.35 multiplied by 2.55. So we get 13.64. I've written this one correct to 2 decimal places. Then we move on and get the minimum area. To get the minimum area, we use the minimum limit, that is 5.25 multiplied by 2.45. Using the calculator, 5.25 multiplied by 2.45. This gives us 12.86. And I've written this one correct to 2 decimal places. Then the actual area, we shall now use the values that were given, 5.3 multiplied by 2.5. Using the calculator, 5.3 multiplied by 2.5, this one gives us 13.25. Then now we shall get the absolute error. The absolute error shall be a half into maximum area, which is 13.64, minus minimum area, which is 12.86. And using the calculator, this one is going to give us 13.64 minus 12.86, and the answer that we get, you divide by 2, or you multiply by a half. This one gives us 0.39. So 0.39 shall be the absolute error. And now to get the relative error, we're going to pick the absolute error, which is 0.39, and we divide this value by the actual error, which is 13.225. Using the calculator, we are going to get 0.39 divided by 13.25. It's going to give us 0.029. I've written this one correct too.